Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Shabby Dollhouse. This is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I made these adorable little lavender sachet doilies. And there's actually some lavender in there. And I don't know, I was just thinking about it last night. And first thing this morning, I tried it. And this is how it turned out. I think it is super adorable. So this is an angel from the French Bliss kit from Doreen at 𝓀𝓪𝓪𝓬𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰 Vintage Treasures. I have used these already, but I will have the link down below. So what you're going to need is some lavender, some doilies, and some tracing paper and some scraps. So these are just some little doilies I got from Joann's. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue your doilies onto this paper first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. It's so beautiful here this morning, but it's really cold. I'm loving all of this beautiful natural light coming in my room. So I was like, okay, so if I want to go ahead and make a video, I need to do it now while it's nice out. So this is just a quick little project that you can use in your journals. I think that it's adorable. And it's actually not too bulky, which I thought it would be too bulky at first. That's why I wanted to try it. But it's just fine. So the reason why I'm putting these onto tracing paper is because you don't want the lavender to fall out, of course. So you got to have something behind it, and I didn't want to use anything too thick because then you won't be able to smell the lavender, right? So I did try it out, and you can smell the lavender in the first one that I made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out. Find my scissors here. My table is a absolute mess right now. I hope that I'm in frame. I got my camera up a little higher than I normally do, so I can't really tell if I'm in frame. I hope I am. So these are just so simple and easy to do. I love them. Alright, so we got our first one there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate this one here before I glue it down on the other one. Alright, so I have her adorable kit here, and I just have a few pages of it printed out. So I'm going to use another one of these angels here. I'm going to use, or I might can use a heart, huh? I'm going to go ahead and use an angel. And I can cut out one of these cute bows. So I'm going to use this angel here. So beautiful. This kit is adorable, y'all. I should have went ahead and cut this out, but okay. So So I appreciate all of my new subscribers and all of your wonderful, sweet comments. It really means a lot to me. I'm having so much fun creating and making all of these videos. I'm getting more and more comfortable doing it and just having fun. That's what it's all about, having fun. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna get some little scrap pieces that I have, like some tulle, and I got a bunch of little scrap pieces of lace over here. So let's see. Use some of that and scrunch it behind the angel. That would be cute. Let's see. Yep. I'll go ahead and glue it. I'm not going to think too much about it. I'm just going to do it. So you can paper clip these on, or you can put an eyelet in there and add a bow. Tie it at the top. What I'm going to do is add an eyelet like I did the first one. I'm going to kind of rip this up a little bit. This is just some lace that I tea dyed. I'm just going to scrunch it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to add a piece of this tulle here. This is just off of some lace. This is just a tiny little piece of a different kind of tulle, and I'll just put it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And we will add some flowers or an applique. Adorable. Look at this. Just adorable. This is a good way to use up your scraps for little projects like this too, to make ahead of time for your journals. I'll cut this piece right here off. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my lavender in here. So I'm going to turn it upside down. I have a little spoon in here. It's just a charm. I just have my sequins and stuff in here, but okay, yeah, I was gonna say, I know I got a spoon in here that I use for this stuff. Look how tiny it is, but it works perfect for this. So I got my lavender here. Oh my goodness, it smells so amazing. So I'm not going to put a ton of it, you know, because you don't want it to be like really thick or anything. Just going to add a little smell to your journal. All right, I think that's good enough. And close this up. now I'm going to add my glue. Around the edges here. Make sure I got plenty so this does not come open. Alright. I'm just going to lay that right on top. Try to get it even. Okay. I suggest letting the glue dry before you try to shake the lavender around to even it out, because I did that on my first one and it got all stuck up here. So yeah, just let it have time to dry before you shake it. Okay, so now I'm going to add like some little flower appliques or something on here. I love these flower appliques. I might put something under it. Let's see. I'll cut this little piece off here. That'll look adorable, right? Should I put it on the other side? I like it on the other one. Okay. Adorable. How cute is that? Adorable. Okay, now I can add another little flower or something up here. Let's see. I glued behind these earlier so that I could use it. So I'm hoping that the sequins don't, and the beads don't fall off. That's a little trick I learned from Maggie. Let's see what it looks like with this under it. Yeah, I'll add it. It's covering her wing a little bit, but it's okay. I'm just going to add it anyway. Okay. So adorable. So what I'm going to do now is shake it. Try to get it even. All right, so I'm going to put an eyelet in here if I can find my thingy. My crocodile thingy. Oh, right here in front of my face. Have y'all ever done that before? Like, literally, you're looking for something and it's right in front of you. That happened to me this morning. I went and crunked my truck up because it was so cold out there. I wanted to warm up the truck, and so I let it run for about 15 minutes, you know. So I'm looking for my keys when it's time to go, and I'm like, where in the heck is my keys at? And it dawned on me, Laura, they're in the darn truck. Like, how stupid are you? That's how I felt. Like, I know that y'all have done that before too, so don't judge me. Okay. Isn't that so adorable, y'all? I'm going to add some of this tulle here on the top. See, that was so quick and easy to do. I hope this is long enough. Let me use this these tweezers here. Oh goodness, come on. Okay. Super cute. Super, super cute. And you don't even have to add lavender. You know, you can just make them like this without the lavender. They're still adorable. So I'm going to add a bulb pen. Let's see where I put them. Right here. And I'm going to add a little charm. Made with love, heart. And we are finished. Isn't that adorable, y'all? Let me get the other one and show you again. So I think that these are so super cute. And I hope that you like them. Let me know if you're going to try them. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this idea. I think they're so adorable. So I will see y'all in my next video, and I appreciate y'all so very much for watching. Bye, y'all.